Hello there! Our journey starts at Kidani Village. It's the Disney Vacation Club part of Animal Kingdom Lodge, and the Jumbo House is the regular part. So right now, I'm right here, and I'm gonna go look through everything. Alright, see you in a bit. There are all these artifacts right across from the elevators and down this hallway. There's Sanaa's Hours. Another artifact. And then that's the coolest part. All the animals. Well, I guess not very many today. I'll look around more. These artifacts are awesome. Oh, look what we got in here. And if you go outside the library, those are the same birds that we were seeing. There's some then way over there. I don't think y'all can see it. It's a creature, like right there. Some type of animal. Yeah, they're sitting down in the shade. It's hot out here. I get it. Ooh, a bull. It's a cattle. They have it right here. Place where you can get some work done. Some more artifacts. Now we're going outside. This is awesome. And there's Sanaa again. I love how they just chill in the shade. That's awesome. Look how close we are. That one almost tripped. It's funny. That's so cool.
11 boys. It's all about the dancing. Of course, at this time of day, they're conserving energy any way they can.
So whenever you come here, there's usually a guide at the end of the savannah, and they'll tell you about the animals. So that's really nice. More artifacts. I really like that they added these touches all around the lobby area. I think that is cool. The mama puppet. And the basket. And then out the door right next to the artifacts, you got another viewing area. Of the same dudes that are just chilling underneath the shade. Oh yeah, and that's the guy that I was telling you about. That guy right there. He'll tell you different fun facts about the animals if you need it. And some more artifacts. Ooh. And through the window at night, I'm sure you can see stuff. But not right now, it's hot for the animals. Right across from the elevators. Oh, I like this one. A stool. And another stool. That one's for a smaller butt. They have a vending machine for detergent. It's a laundry area. Because most people that stay here stay for a week and they need to do their laundry. That door's the community hall. I like these light fixtures. They're all over the place. Looks cool. We gotta walk all the way over. But I want to stop right there because I like that place. Here's something to note. Balloons are not allowed here. So if you get a balloon at Magic Kingdom, you better pop that thing before you get here. Now we are going to Jumbo House. We got a great deal of walking, but we'll get there eventually. I got an umbrella. I think it's right up there. That little green mesh net thing. So I've seen a lot of people use umbrellas whenever they come here. And in the park, it's kind of hard to use them because you have to like bob and weave behind people so you don't, poke their eye out with an umbrella. But whenever you're walking, and not in the shade like I'm doing right now, but whenever you're walking in the sun and you got an umbrella, I gotta say, it's pretty nice. And there's the sports court. We got a basketball court, we got shuffleboard, I think, and then a tennis court. So let's take an even closer look into this. So there are the court rules. No rollerblades here. Keep them at the house. Ah, so now, like whenever I came here the last time, they had balls just lying out, but I don't really know why they do this now. You have to go to the community hall to get one. But there it is. It's a nice little court. And now we are going to tennis. And I think this one is locked as well, but they offer tennis lessons, which is pretty cool. There's the rules. No rollerblades again. Let me see if I can open. And we're in. There it is. Incredible. Again, the umbrella is the MVP right now. I think I can get a better look at the basketball court now, so let me haul my tail over here. Oh yeah, it's open. I don't know why I cared about that sign. There it is. Ooh, some hopscotch? I think that's hopscotch. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Foursquare. Oh man, I used to run Foursquare back in the day. And then a basketball hoop. Pretty cool. And then a bench for people to sit down, I guess. Let's see if we can do this. I don't even know how, I don't remember doing this. I think that's how you do it, but the last time I played hopscotch was whenever there was chalk in elementary school, and we would draw those on the ground. So it's been a while. Over here is a grill area, yeah. And then the phone, right there, and then all these grills. And the picnic tables, and more grills, and more grills. Oh, and more grills. Pretty cool. And just as a tip, there's like hardly any traffic here. So whenever you want a nice, and as I say that, a car pulls up, 2 cars pull up. But if you just want to walk around here and have a nice little walk in nature with quotation marks around it, yeah, this is pretty nice. Now let's continue to Jumbo House. To Jumbo House. Pretty sure there are rooms up there, and they have the view of a parking lot, and then on the other side they have the view of the savannah. I think it's a little bit extra, but I would pay it because honestly, there's not very many places where you can go out on your balcony and see a zebra. That's kind of cool. There's Jumbo House again. And there's the sign. It's a little bit of a walk, to be honest. I'm still walking. There's a fire emergency here. There's the map. So I walked over to a cast member and I'm like, we're not gonna burn down, are we? No, we're just testing it. And I'm like, oh, awesome. There's the buffet restaurant down there. And here's a cool little fire pit they got going on. And this lobby is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Bench. So if it's too hot, then you can just sit right there. Look at that. Please do not climb. Zebra. There he is. I feel like zebras are like cold-blooded or something because every other animal is like underneath the shade, but not zebras. They don't care. They're hungry. But yeah, that's the savannah. Let me sit on this bench. Oh, pretty nice view though. But I agree with those animals. I am ready to get back into air conditioning. There's some signs. Oh, there was nothing in that pond. And there's another fire pit. Holy cow, there's a giraffe. They're feeding them. Look how close we are. Holy cow. And another zebra. They don't care. Look at them, just chilling. Hello there! He doesn't care, he just wants some of that, some of those branches. That is so cool. The zebra's eating over there too. Oh, and on these little planks, if you don't want to learn about the zebra, you can flip it to the antelope and to the waterbuck. This is so awesome. I think my favorite animal used to be a giraffe. But now it's either a giraffe, a penguin, or a dog. Don't know which. I guess it changes from day to day. Look at him. It's crazy. And here's some behind the curtain magic. Like right there, those little branches right there. If my camera can focus on them. I don't even think my camera can pick it up. It like matches the plants beside them. But those are the imaginary fences right there. Or the hidden fences. That dude is just staring me down. That was cool. Just have a giraffe right there chilling, eating, just living life. That was cool. That's why I love Animal Kingdom Lodge so much, because you can have moments like that, and it was cool. And the stairs are lookout points. Back with the rocking chairs. And here we are. Oh, someone's balcony's right there. It's funny. No animals here. Not very much shade, but that's where I just was. That giraffe's probably up here. No, can't see him. What a shame. And there's another lookout point with binoculars this time. Still nothing. Down there, there's some cool artifacts. I think I need to go down there. Let's see. Yep, and there are the artifacts. And the animals of Africa. Ice machine, vending machine. And here's the lookout point. Let's see if we can see anything through these. Alright, pro tip, if you don't want your hand burned, don't touch them whenever it's in the sun. And here's the view difference. There's the savannah right there. And then on the other side, nothing but trees and cars. The fire alarm is still going off. That's comforting. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Looks like a place you can work. I guess I'm gonna sit here for a while. Pretty nice while the fire alarm's going off. Hopefully I don't burn. I like that lounge. Nice. Comfy seats. Quiet. And then there's the restaurant down there. There's Boma. And there's the lobby. And you just come down there, those stairs, and down those stairs. And you're there. Holy cow. Oh, I want to go on that bridge. That's where I'm going to go. You can put some outgoing mail in there. And you can buy a portable charger. Right here. Right by the lobby. Here's another lookout point. Let's see if our giraffe's still out there. I see it. There it is. It's not right beside that tree anymore. He got tired of those sticks. Oh, he's eating some sticks over there. Again. We don't like wildebeest. He killed Mufasa. It's a giraffe and a crane. Gross. Here's the bridge. Then there's the lobby. It's a really nice lobby, holy cow. And then that's the savannah. Pretty cool. The wrong drop off. And then here is the screen. The next bus to Animal Kingdom is blank. Okay. It says use bus, but there's nothing here. Then Hollywood Studios. And then Epcot. Did I pass it? Let me check Zone 1 again, because I might have read that wrong. Okay, Zone 1, Disney's Animal Kingdom and Blizzard Beach. Alright, this is the place I need to be. So, let's take a spot on the bench. Looks like Epcot and then Hollywood Studios and then Magic Kingdom at the end. But let's go see. No, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and then Magic Kingdom at the very end. Yeah. That's the buses. And now, the most exciting part of the day. Wait for the bus. And it says nothing. Oh boy. So thank you for joining me today at the Kidani Village and the Jambo House portion of the Animal Kingdom Lodge as a whole. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day.